Hi, my stylists. In this video, Jaden and I are going to show you how to make quads and then how to make clusters. This event was done in collaboration with Believe Events. Welcome to Event Styles LLC, where we bring the style to your events. The first thing I'm going to do is blow up the balloons. Now, taking 17-inch Qualatex balloons in the color of chocolate brown, I'm going to take my balloon pump that I got from Amazon and I'm going to blow up the balloons. You want to be careful that you're not putting too much air inside of the balloons, because the more air that you have in there, the thinner the material becomes and the more likely the balloon is to pop. I also do not like the oval size of a balloon. I prefer a circular shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push some air out against the little stand that I have. This makes it easier to tie the balloons together into pairs, which is just 2 balloons that are tied together. If you are enjoying this video, go ahead and give me a like, comment down below what you're thinking, and subscribe. Now we're going to repeat the process until we have a total of 4 sets of pairs, which will amount to a total of 8 blown up balloons. Now it's time to build the quad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 pairs, which again are 2 balloons tied together, and I'm going to form a quad, which is 4 balloons that are tied together. I'm going to take one of the pairs and I'm going to make them vertical, and the other one is going to be horizontal. I'm going to meet them in the middle, and then I'm going to twist the pairs together.
Okay, I'm gonna let you do it, and I'm gonna do the gesture of what I would do is in my hand. Alright, try it. Oh, I'm gonna untie this.
These are like 2 individual bonds. We want to make them a bond.
One of them, and then I'm gonna make them kiss, and I'm where the tie is where I hit them. So I'm gonna hit it. Yep. Now this guy, the one that's on top, is the bigger. So through the little side one, like that.
All the way through?
Like it's literally like now on the bottom side, yeah. And then I twist it one more time.
Let's do the other side.
So now I'm twisting it here, where it's straight.
Pull it out this way?
So yeah, you're literally gonna stay down. And I would pull it like this one is gonna go towards you.
That's it?
Yep. Knock on the floor, baby.
Alright.
Period. Because one thing about Jaden is gonna make it fun.
Exactly.
Now I'm going to take my 260 balloons in the same color, the chocolate brown from Qualatex. I'm going to take it and I'm going to tie the 2 quads together. This is how you make a cluster. Now it's very important that you make sure that you're using the same color 260 as you are with the balloons. That way in the end, when it's time to fill in the gaps, it blends in a lot easier. Taking the first quad, I'm going to take my 260 balloon and tie it against the center of the quad. Once I have it nice and secure, I'm going to go ahead and take the same 260 in the quad. I'm going to place it on top of the second quad. From there, I'm going to take the 260 balloon and I'm going to tie it around the center of the second quad.
Do you want me to make any quads?
So a lot of them are already made, but if you want, you can practice up on the camera because that'll be good content too. Like you know,
I'll do the small ones.
yeah, you can do that. That's perfect. And then I'm going to
Restart. Here were a few pieces.
see what I mean? I'm just going to take a step back.
Oh yeah. It's good on the ends too. It's the perfect color.
Yeah.
Let's fill in. I'll do a quad of each color.
Look at my beard. He's gonna do a what? A quad.
A quad. I have to give you a perfect voiceover opportunity. I tapped on one of them so that you could say, this is your leader.
Huh?
I tapped on one so you could say, that's your leader.
You wanna do the voiceover for this?
No. I'll do a snippet. Not a This is Jaden.
Look at Jaden. He face I made my little customer accident. What? The problem is I can't read.
And that's how we have our handy dandy.
Thank you for watching the video. Let us know what you think in the comment sections down below, and be sure to follow us on our other social media pages to stay connected with us, and we'll see you in the next video.